Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve their dreams while others struggle to make progress? In this eye-opening video, we'll uncover the 15 biggest obstacles that could be secretly holding you back from reaching your full potential. If you don't watch, you might miss the shocking revelation about how your own mind could be your biggest enemy. Stay tuned to discover how seemingly innocent habits and circumstances could be sabotaging your success without you even realizing it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing insights that could transform your future. 1. The invisible chains of poverty. Breaking free from financial hardship. Being born into poverty is one of the most challenging obstacles anyone can face. It's like trying to climb a mountain with a heavy weight on your back. However, many successful individuals have overcome this hurdle through perseverance and determination. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example, who was born into poverty in rural Mississippi, but went on to become one of the most influential media moguls in the world. 2. The geographic lottery. Overcoming the odds of your birthplace. Being born in a low-income country can significantly impact your opportunities and quality of life. It's like swimming in a stormy sea with a heavy ship trailing behind you. However, many immigrants have shown that it's possible to overcome this obstacle. Consider the story of Do Won Chang, who immigrated from South Korea and founded the fashion empire Forever 21, proving that determination can transcend geographical limitations. 3. The double-edged sword of early maturity. Balancing wisdom and risk-taking. Growing up too quickly can rob you of the fearlessness and risk-taking attitude that often leads to success. It's a delicate balance between gaining wisdom and maintaining the courage to take chances. For instance, child actors like Drew Barrymore have had to navigate the challenges of early maturity while still finding ways to take risks and reinvent themselves in their careers. 4. The conformity trap. Escaping the limitations of traditional education. The traditional school system can be a significant obstacle to personal growth and creativity. It often fails to cater to different learning styles and can stifle individuality. However, many successful individuals have thrived despite or even because of their struggles with traditional education. Richard Branson, who dropped out of school at 16 due to dyslexia, went on to build the Virgin Group empire, showcasing that success is possible outside the confines of traditional schooling. 5. The invisible scars. Overcoming the impact of toxic relationships. Toxic relationships, especially in early childhood, can have long-lasting effects on a person's emotional well-being and future success. These negative experiences can shape how we view relationships and interact with others throughout our lives. However, many people have overcome this obstacle through therapy and self-reflection. Tina Turner, for example, escaped an abusive relationship and went on to have a successful solo career, proving that it's possible to heal and thrive. 6. The beauty bias. Challenging society's superficial standards. Not being conventionally attractive can present unexpected challenges in both personal and professional spheres. Studies have shown that attractiveness can influence job opportunities and even wages. However, many individuals have overcome this obstacle by focusing on their unique strengths and talents. For instance, Seal, despite his facial scars, has become a successful musician, proving that talent and charisma can overshadow physical appearance. 7. The Dream Crushers. Rising above unsupportive environments. Being surrounded by unsupportive people can be a significant obstacle to personal growth and success. These individuals can subtly undermine your confidence and aspirations. However, many successful people have risen above unsupportive environments. J.K. Rowling, for example, faced criticism and rejection, but persevered to become one of the world's most successful authors, showing that belief in oneself can overcome external negativity. 8. The curse of knowledge. Navigating the complexities of social awareness. Too much self-awareness about how society works can lead to cynicism and inaction. It's a delicate balance between understanding the system and not becoming jaded by it. Many successful individuals have navigated this obstacle by choosing to work within the system while still maintaining their integrity. For example, Bill Gates has used his understanding of business and society to create positive change through philanthropy. 9. The social barrier. Conquering awkwardness and anxiety. Social awkwardness and anxiety can be significant obstacles in both personal and professional life. These issues can hinder networking opportunities and career advancement. However, many people have overcome these challenges through practice and therapy. For instance, Warren Buffett took a public speaking course to overcome his fear of public speaking, which greatly contributed to his success. 10. The burden of success. Managing family expectations and responsibilities. Being the most successful person in your family can come with unexpected pressures and responsibilities. This can lead to stress and delayed personal goals. However, many successful individuals have found ways to balance family obligations with personal aspirations. For example, Shaquille O'Neal has not only achieved personal success, but has also helped many family members improve their financial situations. 11. The people-pleasing paradox. Breaking free from the approval trap. Being a people pleaser can hinder personal growth and success by causing you to prioritize others' needs over your own. This can lead to missed opportunities and unfulfilled potential. Many successful individuals have had to overcome this tendency to achieve their goals. For instance, Lady Gaga has spoken about learning to prioritize her own vision over others' expectations, leading to her unique and successful career. 12. The passion puzzle. Finding purpose in a complex world. Not understanding your passion can lead to a lack of direction and fulfillment in life. However, it's important to recognize that passions can change and evolve over time. Many successful people have found their calling later in life or have pursued multiple passions. Julia Child, for example, discovered her passion for cooking in her 40s and went on to become a culinary icon. 13. The mind's battleground. Triumphing over mental health challenges. Mental health issues can be a significant obstacle to success, affecting motivation, focus, and overall well-being. However, many individuals have not only coped with mental health challenges, but have used their experiences to fuel their success. For instance, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson has openly discussed his battles with depression and how he overcame them to become a successful actor and entrepreneur. 14. The physical hurdles. Achieving success. Despite health limitations, physical health issues can present significant challenges to achieving one's goals. However, many individuals have shown remarkable resilience in the face of health obstacles. Stephen Hawking, despite being diagnosed with ALS, became one of the world's most renowned physicists, proving that determination can overcome even severe physical limitations. 15. The grief journey. Finding strength in the face of loss. The sudden loss of a loved one can be a devastating obstacle, affecting every aspect of life. However, many individuals have found ways to channel their grief into positive action. For example, Sheryl Sandberg, after losing her husband, wrote Option B to help others cope with loss and adversity, turning her personal tragedy into a source of inspiration for others. If you're intrigued about overcoming these obstacles and achieving a life of success and financial freedom, keep watching our previous videos. We tackle more ways to navigate life's challenges and reveal surprising strategies that could help you triumph over adversity. Click the link in the description to explore more life-changing insights and take the first step towards conquering the obstacles in your path to success.